Everybody has flaws. Every leader who's going to step up on here has got a flaw. Probably flaws you could even name if you wanted to. And every single one of the leaders up here is on a journey. The best leaders, as long as they're leading, are on a journey. And if you're not, you're dangerous. And the better your why, the more distinct your organization. And the more believable your organization. The bigger your why as a leader. The more decisive you are, the more convincing you are, the more authentic you are. Leadership also is about calling out the identity in people. Leaders are multipliers. Great leaders are multipliers. They have lots of little leaders around them. You need to have people who are learning agile. They got to move quick. We all have to learn quick and be okay not knowing answers and be okay looking foolish. So if part of your story is you don't like looking foolish, you're set up to fail in this new economy. You got to be okay looking foolish. You got to be okay being unprepared sometimes. What conditions do we need for leadership to flourish? And what conditions do we need for leadership to spread? That's a kick-ass question. We need to find people who have a wide variety of skills, who have deep understanding of people, who connect dots, who build networks, who have high integrity that people follow because of their vision, their heart, the fact that they call out leadership traits in other people.